Hey everyone, you're watching Chutkare all about food, and let's dig into our Bengali Niramish lunch today. First we have bhat, then we have dhoner boda, papod, aloo chips, aloo bhaja, kumdo bhaja, dhaidosh bhaja, pyaj, shosha, cholar dal, shagir ghonto, পটলের তরকারি, পায়েস, রসগোল্লা, মিষ্টি দই, জল, কাঁচা লঙ্কা আর ভাতের উপর একটু ঘি। I loved almost everything, but this mango flavored mishti doi was my absolute favorite. Thanks for watching.